These are 65 clever Amazon gadgets you didn't know you needed in 2025. Links to all products are in the description below. Some product links may expire over time, so we've added similar alternatives in the description. This clever bathroom faucet is designed for flexibility and convenience. It can be tilted in any direction and rotated 360 degrees, making it easy to adjust for different tasks. Push down and tilt the spout up to turn it into a drinking fountain, or lift it to make more room for washing larger items. It also features 2 spray modes to suit your needs. This is a heat-resistant garment steamer glove designed to protect your hand while steaming clothes. It has a finger loop for a secure grip, a pointed tip for reaching collars and sleeves, and a flat surface that doubles as a mini ironing board. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for both home use and travel. This is an 8-pack of thickened microfiber cleaning cloths, designed for streak-free cleaning on glass, mirrors, windows, and more. They're ultra-absorbent, lint-free, and don't require any detergent. Just wet, wring out, and wipe. Reusable and machine washable for long-term use. This is a black kitchen mixer tap with a pull-out spray head and 360-degree rotation for easy rinsing and cleaning. It features 2 spray modes and lets you switch between hot and cold water with a single handle. Built from stainless steel for durability and corrosion resistance. These are button extenders that instantly add 1 to 1.4 inches to your waistband. No sewing needed, just loop one onto your existing button and fasten your pants like normal. Great for jeans, slacks, or skirts that feel a little too snug, especially after meals or during early pregnancy. These faux pearl brooch pins work as both a fashion accessory and a functional safety clasp for shirts, sweaters, or shawls. Use them to keep a collar closed or add a touch of detail to scarves and cardigans. Each pin comes in a random style, making them a simple, stylish touch for casual or formal outfits. These are semi-opaque footed tights made from soft, stretchy microfiber for all-day comfort. The high waistband stays in place without rolling, and the fabric is thick enough to avoid runs or fading. Great for layering with dresses, costumes, or everyday outfits in cooler seasons. This is a set of 4 plastic tube squeezers that help you get every last bit out of toothpaste, creams, or paint tubes. Just slide the end in and push. No more wasted product or messy counters. They also hang neatly to save space and keep things organized. These are self-adhesive heel patches that stick inside your shoes to cover worn-out spots and prevent further damage. They're made from soft, breathable leather and work with everything from sneakers to high heels. Just peel and press, no glue needed. This is an elastic no-show belt with a flat buckle that stays invisible under shirts or fitted clothes. It holds your pants up without adding bulk, making it perfect for jeans, dresses, or any outfit where you want support without the look of a belt. Easy to adjust and comfortable to wear all day. This is a waterproof self-adhesive caulk tape designed to seal gaps around tubs, toilets, sinks, and countertops. Just peel, stick, and press it into place. No tools or mess. It's flexible, easy to trim, and gives a clean, finished look to bathroom or kitchen edges. This is a transformable shoulder bag that can switch between a tote, handbag, or backpack depending on how you wear it. It's roomy enough for daily essentials like your phone, wallet, and even a water bottle, making it practical for work, travel, or casual outings. Built from durable Oxford cloth for everyday use. This folding clothes hanger holds up to 9 garments and can hang vertically or horizontally to save space. The rotating hook and non-slip slots help keep clothes organized and in place. Ideal for maximizing closet space in bedrooms, dorms, or small apartments. This set includes an adjustable crossbody phone lanyard, a wrist strap, and tether tabs so you can wear your phone around your neck, wrist, or across your body. It's lightweight, doesn't block your charging port, and works with almost any phone case. The spiral hanger is made for drying or storing bulky items like blankets, sheets, or tablecloths without creasing them. It's made of stainless steel, holds up to 5 kilograms, and folds flat when not in use to save space. Works indoors or out, and is especially handy for small laundry areas. This is a set of rechargeable motion sensor under cabinet lights with a built-in charging station. You get 3 color temperatures, adjustable brightness, and a remote with timer settings. They install magnetically or with adhesive, no tools needed, and the dock also charges your phone or earbuds. These are mop slippers. Just slip them on your feet and clean the floor as you walk. Made with soft microfiber, they grab dust, hair, and dirt from corners and under furniture. Reusable, washable, and way more fun than a regular mop. This 2-piece scrubbing brush set is made for deep cleaning bathrooms, kitchens, and hard-to-reach corners. The stiff sponge bristles tackle grime, while the contoured handle gives you control without straining your hand. This magic scrubbing brush cleans just about anything way better than your typical sponge. It's great for bathrooms, kitchens, bathtubs, and more. The handle makes it easy to scrub away grime, soap scum, and buildup without damaging surfaces. This gadget sticks right onto your rice cooker or kitchen wall to hold your rice paddle or spatula. It's compact, waterproof, and made of silicone, so it won't rust. These sheer pantyhose come in a pack of 3 and offer light compression to support your legs throughout the day. No control top, so they fit naturally and comfortably under any outfit. Great with skirts, dresses, or even open-toe shoes thanks to the sheer toe design. These snap-on dividers clip directly onto your fridge door shelves to separate bottles, sauces, or snacks. They're adjustable, reusable, and help stop items from tipping over or sliding around. You can also use them in drawers or bins to keep smaller things in place. This U-shaped comb clips into your hair to keep bangs or loose strands in place without showing. It's flexible, stretchable, and grips securely with wavy teeth that don't slip. Great for everyday styles or keeping hair out of your face while working out. These silicone shoe covers slip over your shoes to keep them dry in rain, mud, or snow. They're reusable, non-slip, and fold down small enough to fit in your bag or pocket. Ideal for biking, hiking, or just walking through puddles without soaking your shoes. These disposable drain covers stick over your shower or sink drain to catch hair before it clogs the pipes. Just peel, press, and toss when it's full. No cleaning needed. Great for bathrooms, bathtubs, or even kitchen sinks. This storage box mounts right under your closet shelf to store socks, bras, or underwear without wasting drawer space. The pull-out design makes everything easy to grab, and the dividers keep things neatly separated. You can also place it flat inside a drawer if you prefer. This floating drink holder keeps your beverages, snacks, or even waterproof speakers right beside you while you relax in the pool or hot tub. Built to support up to 50 pounds, it won't tip or drift away easily. Great for solo lounging or keeping the party going without leaving the water. This flexible duster bends to reach under beds, sofas, and tight corners that typical tools miss. It slides easily into narrow spaces to sweep out dust, crumbs, and pet hair without moving furniture. A simple way to keep hard-to-reach spots clean. Tired of scrubbing every fruit and veggie by hand? This ultrasonic cleaner uses ion and 360-degree water circulation to lift dust and residue from produce, meats, and even seafood. No manual effort needed. Just place your food inside, press a button, and let it handle the cleanup for you. Cleaning narrow or hard-to-reach spaces. This brush set includes flexible stainless steel tools and multiple nylon heads to scrub inside tubes, drains, and even water bottles. Each brush bends where you need it, making deep cleaning way less frustrating. This under-cabinet sliding rack sticks to the side of your fridge and adds 3 pull-out shelves for easy access. It even includes holders for paper towels or plastic wrap, a clever way to turn unused space into extra storage. This wall-mounted storage bag holder keeps all your plastic bags in one spot without taking up drawer space. Just hang it on a hook or knob. No drilling needed. And stuff in grocery bags, shoe covers, or trash liners through the top. This bed pocket organizer hangs off the side of your bed and keeps all your essentials, like remotes, phones, or tablets, within easy reach. It has multiple compartments and folds flat when not in use. No more digging around or knocking things off your nightstand. This retractable clothesline mounts to your wall and pulls out whenever you need it. Just extend the string across to the opposite side, hook it in place, and you're ready to hang laundry. It's an easy, space-saving fix for drying clothes indoors or out. This mixing bowl set comes with a built-in sieve and a slicing top that lets you cut, mince, or shred directly over the bowl. It saves time by combining prep and cleanup into one spot. Great for tossing salads or rinsing fruits and veggies on the fly. These silicone laundry balls go straight into the wash with your clothes to help prevent tangling and improve cleaning. The soft texture creates extra friction to scrub clothes gently without damage. They're reusable, easy to toss in, and work with most washing machines. Tired of pet hair sticking to everything? This self-cleaning brush picks up fur from clothes, couches, and more using grippy bristles on both sides. Just dip it into the base to clear the brush and keep going. No sticky tape or refills required. This tiny umbrella clips onto the back of your phone to block sunlight and keep it cool. It even includes a built-in stand so you can prop up your phone while streaming or video calling outdoors. Fun, simple, and surprisingly useful on hot days. Forget bulky bottles. This wall-mounted detergent dispenser lets you store and pour with less mess. Just fill it up, use the included cup to measure, and dispense what you need with a press. It keeps your laundry setup cleaner and more organized. Cracking soft-boiled eggs doesn't have to be messy. This egg topper neatly cuts off the top of the shell so you can scoop the egg right out. No broken bits, no guessing. Just a clean lift every time. These solid wood hangers mount right inside your cupboard wall and give you a new spot to hang underwear, vests, or other small items. It frees up drawer space and keeps everything visible and easy to grab. Simple upgrade, way less clutter. This folding board makes it easy to get perfectly folded shirts in seconds. Just lay, flip, and done. It works on everything from tees to towels and helps keep your closet neat and uniform. This swivel clothes hanger rotates 360 degrees and adjusts to fit everything from shirts and jackets to towels and sheets. It's sturdy, compact, and designed to prevent creases or hanger marks. A handy option for both drying and organizing your wardrobe in one spot. This detergent cup holder clips right onto your bottle and catches any drips before they make a mess. It stays firmly in place and has a removable tray that's easy to clean. Keeps your laundry area neat without the usual sticky puddles. This umbrella comes with a built-in fan to keep air circulating while you walk. You can even remove the bottom and attach a water bottle to add mist, turning it into a portable cooling system. Shade, breeze, and mist, all in one setup. This car seat gap organizer fits right between your seat and center console to catch anything that usually slips through. It holds your phone, wallet, keys, and even has space for a charging cable. Keeps essentials close by and your car a bit more organized. If you've got loose change sliding all over your car, this compact organizer solves that. Just peel the backing and stick it to your dashboard. Drop your coins in the slots so they're sorted, secure, and always within reach when you need them. This magnetic hat clip attaches to your bag and keeps your hat securely in place using strong magnets. It's perfect for when you're not wearing it but don't want to stuff it in your bag. Keeps your hands free and your hat in shape. These reusable gel putty dots let you stick things exactly where you want them, without nails, glue, or tape. Use them to keep a vase from sliding, seal an envelope, or temporarily hold up small items. When you're done, just peel them off and reuse. You don't need a whole stack of sponges taking up space. This layered design lets you tear off one fresh sponge at a time, use it, and toss it when you're done. It's simple, compact, and way less messy than juggling old sponges. This pull-out jewelry rack gives you a clean way to organize necklaces, bracelets, or earrings without cluttering your dresser. Just hang your pieces, then slide the rack back in to keep everything dust-free and out of sight. This portable clothesline stretches out when you need it and folds down when you don't. It comes with elastic windproof hangers that keep your clothes from bunching or flying off. Perfect for hotel rooms, balconies, or camping trips.